ordered the rain guards only to find out that it's not a inside track, so be careful with that. And also, even if you do put this on the outside, so this is the inside track, it doesn't fit, I might Dremel it down. But then if you go even on the outside after you get the instructions, this thing's not even close to fit on the 2014 Ram. So it's going to hit the side view mirror guard. You're not going to be able to do it. There's no way to position it, even if you take it all the way over here. It's just complete garbage fit. So I wouldn't recommend.